Okay, these are 3/16 bolts. 2 of them we'll be removing. And then here, this guy is T40 Torx. And so you can see, they'll be Loctite on these guys. So. To be able to slide the bar up once you get the lowers undone. Torx T40, a little extension. Put a towel over the front fender. So we put a piece of cardboard over the radiator fin so we don't tear it up while we're passing the new bar through. And then we went ahead, since the bar was off, we swapped out our floorboard, which you'll see in another video. We'll snake it through here. Both sides. We're using the new hardware on the bottom, the old hardware from Harley up on the top. And then we'll go back up to the center ones. Be good on that. Right. And then the Delron sliders go on pretty easy. Slide it up, slide it on. Then we'll remove the cardboard from the radiator. This beauty housing back on. That. It looks good. It's a lot better than the stock chopped bar. Up in here. Thanks for joining in today. The video, but it came out good. It's a lot better than the stock ones.